Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create 3D cartoon animation videos using AI. It's super easy and you only need a prompt, Google Flow and VO3. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT. Here we will ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for a simple 3D cartoon scenes. For example, I will type a prompt like this. Like this, and then just generate. Like this, once you get the prompt, just copy it. And then now just go to Google Flow like this, and then just make sure you already log into your Google account, and then just choose text to video, and then just paste the prompt into a VO3 generator like this, and then just choose your model. I will choose VO3 fast, and then choose your output. I will choose one output, and after that just click on generate. Okay, like this, let's play the video.
Wow, this city is amazing! I can't wait to explore more!
Like this. Now you have a 8-second 3D cartoon animations of your robot scenes. And next, if you want to make your video longer, it's simple, but make sure you already turn on the desktop size mode like this. And then just go to add to scene, just tap on add to scene. Like this. And then just tap on plus button. Next you will see options like jump to and extend. Then just choose one that you prefer. And then next just type your prompt in here. You can also go back to ChatGPT and then ask it again for the next prompt to continue the story, and then just copy it and then paste it again and generate. And then just repeat these steps until your full animation is done. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you make a 3D cartoon animations with AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.